Hi guys, welcome back to IMI's One-to-One Education, and today we are going to go through the Edexcel GCSE 9-1 Foundation Paper 2 2018 paper. So let's get started. Let's just write IMI Education. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Okay, let's get started. So question number 1. Write down the value of 4 in the number 542.3. So the 5 is going to be 100, and it's asking us for the 4. So the 4 is like a 10. So since it's 10 folds, the value is going to be 40, because 542. Okay, write down a square number that is also an odd number. So let's write the square numbers down. 1, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. And the answer is gonna, you can choose a lot. You can choose 9, you can choose 39 or 25. I'm just gonna go with 25. Okay? Now, question number 3. Change 4,560 grams into kilograms. What you would have to do is going to do 4,560 divided by 1,000, because changing from grams to kg, you are dividing by 1000. So grams to kg, you are dividing by 1000, and the answer you get is 4.56. Question number 3b. Change 7.3 meters into millimeters. So meters to millimeters, you are going to be timesing by, so going to be timesing by 1000. Okay, so we're going to do 7.3 times 1000. That's going to be 7,000. So it's going to be 73, 730, 7,300. Okay. Question number 4. Work out the cube root of 64. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you know we've gone through this question already. The cube root of 64 is going to be 4. The reason being is 4 times 4 times 4 is going to equal 64. Now, write 0.31 as a fraction. Now, the way we write 0.31 as a fraction is 31 over 100. This is because 31 divided by 100 will give you the fraction 0.31. And also, you can even substitute this into a calculator. This is a calculator paper. Okay, these are calculator papers. Now, question number 6. Here are 4 fractions: 3 quarters, 5 sevenths, 19 or 25, 11 or 15. Write the fractions in order of size. So you've got a calculator, so let's do this. 3 quarters is going to be 0.75. You got 5 sevenths. So if you put this in a calculator, you do 5 sevenths, which is actually 0.71 to 2 decimal places. You've got 19 over 25, which is 0.76. And we've got 11 over 15, which is 0.733. 0.73. Now, put these in order, shall we? And this is 0.75, 0.72, 0.76, 0.73. So let's put this in order. It's going to be 5 sevenths, because that's 0.72. That's going to be 11 over 15. It's going to be 3 quarters, and 19 over 25. Now, a lot of mistakes are just people put these instead. And if you just write these, you will not get the marks. You have to put them back into this form. Okay? Question number 7. So now we're going to collect like terms. 3m minus m plus m. So 3m minus m is going to be m. M plus 3m is going to be 4m. Okay? Now let's go through 7b. 2n times p times 4. This is going to be, let's just collect the like terms. 2 times 4, that's going to be 8. N times p is np, so you're going to have 8np. Okay? Let's go through question number 8. A map has a scale of 1 centimeters, so 1 centimeter equals 14 kilometers. On the map, the distance between Manchester and London is 18.8 centimeters, so 18.8. what is the real distance between them in kilometers. Now, the way we do this is okay. From 1, how do we get from 1 to 18.8? Well, we times by 18.8, because 1 times 18.8 is 18.8. So whatever you do to the left hand side, you do to the right hand side. So you're going to do 14 times 18.8, and you should get 263.2, right? Because whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. Now, question number 9. The nth term of the sequence is 3n plus 4. Explain why 21 is not a term in the sequence. So 3n plus 4 is equal to 21. Now, whenever you're in this circumstance, you always have to make this nth term equal this digit. Now, when you do that, you know, or there's another way of doing it actually. Let me show you the quicker method. The quicker method of working this out is if you actually just substitute some values into it, because it's not much of a sequence. So let's just see. Question number 1. So let's substitute 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 at 4 is 7. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 at 4 is 10. 3 times 3 is 9. Add 4 is 13. 4 times 3 is 12. Add 4 is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 4 is 19. 6 times 3 is 18. It's 22. So it is not in the sequence because 21 is not in the sequence, right? Okay. Now let's do 9 part B. Write down the first 3 terms. Here are the first 3 terms of a different sequence. So write down the 2 numbers that could be the 4th term and 5th term of the sequence. Give a rule you have used to get your numbers right. The way we would have done this is, this could either be, write down 2 numbers that could have been the 4th and 5th number. Okay, so we're going to say, so let's find the difference. So this is plus 1, right? This is plus 2. So maybe this is just going in a plus 3. This may be plus 3. That could be 7. Then at plus 4 could be 11. So I'm going to write 7 and 11. Because the rule I have used is, you've added 1, then you add 2, you add 3, then you add 4. Now, guys, question number 10, and this is the last part of this 2018 paper, and then I'll go through the rest of the paper. Please stay tuned. Here's the output machine, right? Work out the output when the input is 8. So the input, 8 times 5 is going to equal 40. 40 minus 2, and that's going to equal 38, right? Let's say now we're going to work backwards. So x, let's just put the input as x times 5 minus 2, and that's going to equal 28. Let's do backwards. 28 plus 2, that's going to be 30. 30 divided by 5, and that's going to be 6. Now, because when we're working from the output to the input, we are inversing these. So that's going to be divided by 5, and that's going to be plus 2, sorry. The answer is going to be 6. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.